everyone, so you have got a Stripe account and you want to change when you get paid, right? In this video, I will show you how to adjust your Stripe payout schedule. It's pretty simple. We will walk you through it step by steps. Let's get started. First, you have to log into your account. I'm using test mode here. If you select continue activating, you can complete your profile. But I'm going to show you how you can change your payout schedule. Go to the setting option on your top right corner of your screen. You will see so many options here. I'm going for business. It will navigate you to this page. I'm clicking on external payout account and scheduling. Here we can see payout schedule, which has two options, automatic and manual. In automatic, you can select day, weekly or monthly. If you select weekly, you will get to choose the day of your week. Or if you go for manual, you will no longer be able to see which transactions are bundled in payout. Now select any of the option and click on save. As I'm in test mode, so mine won't be changed, but that's how you can actually schedule your Stripe payout. Hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.